Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing your Zoom profile picture on the mobile app. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open up the Zoom app and log in to your account if you are not already logged in. Then tap on Settings in the bottom right corner. In Settings, tap on your name at the top of the page. Then tap on Profile Photo at the top of the options. You can choose Camera to take a photo, or you can tap Select from Photo Album to choose a photo you already have, which is what I will do. Move the photo around so that it is cropped to your liking, and then tap Done in the top right. Your Zoom profile picture has now been changed. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Zoom tips and tricks.